Hi, in this video I'm gonna teach you on how to hide add friend button on Facebook. Remove the add friend button in your Facebook account. But before that, please hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'll show you my Facebook profile. Watch this. As you can see, the add friend button is still there. So this is on how to hide add friend button on your Facebook profile or remove the add friend button. So first click this. Now scroll down and click this. Now scroll down and find this. So let's check my profile if it's work. I hope you follow all the steps. So that's for all in this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. See you again on my next week video. Thank you so much for watching.